New at midday, Georgia pausing Johnson & Johnson vaccinations here in the state amid reports of a small number of people across the country have suffered blood clots after getting the shot. Georgia following suit, the Department of Health announcing they will stop giving out that vaccine until further notice. 11 Alive's Tracy A. McPeer walking us through what we know so far and what this means for people here in Georgia.
So far, more than 6 million Johnson & Johnson vaccines have been administered across the U.S., the vast majority without complications. But today, the CDC and FDA are calling for states to pause the shots while they investigate rare cases of people suffering blood clots. The agencies say they're focused on 6 women who developed the clots and had a low platelet count 6 to 13 days after receiving the single-dose shot. One person died and another was left in critical condition. What they don't know yet is whether other factors played a role in this, but experts are looking into whether it's a rare immune response to the vaccine itself. And while they say it is too soon to name a subgroup that should avoid this particular vaccine, they have seen it primarily in women under the age of 50. On a call this morning, the FDA and CDC said until they know more, they want to pause J&J vaccines.
We are committed to safety and transparency. When we saw this pattern and were aware that treatment needed to be individualized for this condition, it was of the utmost important for us to get the word out. That said, the pandemic is quite severe and cases are increasing in a lot of places, and vaccination is critical.
We saw similar reports about blood clots also in connection with the AstraZeneca vaccine, which has only been authorized overseas. Vaccinations were paused in the UK over the concerns. No clots have been associated with Pfizer or Moderna's vaccines, and the CDC says this pause should not greatly affect the vaccine rollout in the U.S. They expect the Johnson & Johnson pause to last for a few days at most and are rescheduling people who had J&J appointments for Pfizer and Moderna.